Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is February 8th, 2020, making today a Saturday. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking that bell notification below. All the videos that we do here are completely free to you, and everything comes using our triple arrow system. Alright, so all you gotta do is what? That's right, click the bell notification in there. So today we're going to be analyzing three different pairs, and I want you to be in it. I want you to analyze the market with me. And remember, this is a pre-week. I'm going to be posting the full analysis for next week in a separate video. So all I want you to do is make sure you hit the bell notification below, all right? Because that will be the only way that you're going to be able to see the next week full analysis, all right? And we also come in every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. That's when we do live trading, and we do a one-on-one with you guys and try to answer any question that you may have. So again, make sure that you hit the bell notification below. And today we're going to be analyzing three different pairs. The first one is EURUSD. The next pair is going to be GBPUSD. And the last pair is going to be the AUDUSD. One last thing, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. Never will. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds. Wait. And hundreds of what? Of pips. You got it. That's what we're here for, to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips, guys. You're here with me every Wednesday. You see me doing this. So last week, I think we had only one losing pair. I think so. But it's there. So one last thing, guys, and then we move to our chart is, please, if you have not downloaded my FX hours on your phone, please do so. It's very important to have this app on your phone, which is gonna give you the timing for your London, New York, Frankfurt, Tokyo, and Sydney. So I think it's very important where you're gonna be able to see the market hours when the alarm of the marketing opening, real-time charts, calculators, and so much feature on it. So I think it's very powerful for you to have it. So all you gotta do is go to your app store. I don't know if you use Android, whatever phone you use, just go to your app store, download it, and bingo. It's that simple, guys. I just want everyone to really pay attention. There you go. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, okay, if you have done so yet. So all this is free to you guys. All I'm doing is the work here behind scene and providing you the best knowledge for free. All right, let's get to our chart here, and let's see what will be ready for next week. Today we're gonna be analyzing the pair of EURUSD. This is done on H4. Look at here. Let me highlight it so you can see it. Let me grab my tool. Look at here. We have 4 hours using our triple arrow on EURUSD. What is my analysis for this coming week? What I'm looking in this particular trade here, I'm looking for a potential 1 or 2 more candle to drop and do a correction. What do you think is going to happen from that particular area in there? What do you think is going to happen? Right. If you said that it's going to do a bullish from this particular area, you are correct. So from this particular area, I'm looking for a potential buy trade. Right, so pay attention and look at here, guys. In my opinion, the triple arrow is not fully formed there yet, but what do you think is going to happen? Hopefully our setup works perfectly based on this analysis. So what we're looking for in here is for a triple arrow formation going toward our going with the master trend. That is what I'm expecting to see this coming week. All right, so we're looking for to see a potential bullish market retesting our 23 Fibonacci line, and then doing a small pullback, retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, and then the market is gonna take off to our 50 Fibonacci line, because at the end of the day the market is bullish. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Remember, This is done on EURUSD. What time frame? 4 hours, right? And make sure, guys, you need to subscribe to our channel so you can see the full analysis that is coming. If you haven't done so, all you got to do is click the bell notification. Okay, I just want to remind everyone, if you're not interested, that's fine. You know, move on. All right, let's go to our next pair here. We're going to go ahead and analyze our GBPUSD. This is done on 4 hours again. Our 4 hours is what I'm looking for in this particular area is very similar as we saw on EURUSD. What I'm looking here is, to be honest, I'm looking for a small pullback, triple arrow pullback, but we don't have the fully triple arrow formation yet. So I'm expecting to see it, in my opinion, is maybe about 1-2 more candle, and then the market is going to take off from this particular area here. So I can go ahead and ride bullish in there, but I just want you to see it. So, and then most likely it's going to come out and retest our 23 Fibonacci line, and then it's going to do a small pullback, retesting and take off to stop on our 38 Fibonacci line. But remember, guys, this is a pullback. So in my opinion, when you are trading pullback, you need to learn how to grab between 20 to 30 pips, and then make sure you get out because you're going against the master trend. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any question, please drop your question on our box below so we can go ahead and wrestle this on our Wednesday analysis. All right, let's move on to our next one. We're gonna go ahead and analyze Australian dollar versus our US dollar. What time frame are we using here? Right, 4 hours. Now, what is my overall for this one? Very similar as our USD, as our GBP, and now this is gonna be our last pair. Remember, we're gonna be doing this analysis on our first 3 pairs. If you want the full analysis, you have to subscribe. It's that simple. But let's go ahead and analyze this one. What I'm expecting to see is maybe 1 or 2 more candles to drop, do a correction, and then the market is going to take off, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line. And from there, we're going to come back on Wednesday and reanalyze it live so you can judge on this pair with me. So now, what I'm expecting to see on this particular area where the market is sitting, I'm expecting to see a formation of our triple arrow system. So you will be seeing it hopefully by Wednesday. It's gonna be fully ready. But what is the overall trend of this trade? So let me check. This is doing the overall market is doing a bearish market on GBP, on Australian dollar versus our US dollar. But in this formation here, we're looking for a triple arrow pullback. So you need to learn to grab between how many pips? Right, 20 to 40 pips. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So again, if I don't know if you guys have any question, please drop it on the comment below, and or send me a private message, guys. I don't know if you guys struggling on your trading, but I'm here to help you. So you guys need to ask, or you can ask anyone. Remember, we are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of members on our chat room, so any of us can help you. So just ask for help, and make sure, guys, again, download my FX hour. That will help you a lot. So it usually tell you the timing of the market. Let me show you another great tool that I think everyone needs to know. Is how to read the news. Because I'm getting a lot of private messages, Irving, but you make this like it's so simple. I mean, it's nothing hard, guys, to be honest. Really nothing hard. All you got to do is, pay attention how the formation of the triple arrow works. And that's kind of clear everything up. Hopefully that makes sense. But, I mean, all you got to do is ask questions, guys. We're here to help everyone. All you got to do is ask. All right, let me go ahead and bring Google. And what you need to do is when you go to Google, type my FX hour. Let me change the color of this one so I can highlight it, and hopefully that makes sense to you. Let me put this in blue. There you go. All right, so first thing what you need to do is you need to go to home, right? Let me highlight that. And then the next thing you need to do is you need to select economic calendar. Once you do that, the next step you need to do again is you need to go where it says more. Hopefully you guys see in the area that I'm highlighting. So you click where it says more and then drop that down, and then it's gonna give you all the events that are coming up for this coming week. The way how I have set up, this is my settings, guys. I'm showing you straight up what I have here. So look at here, I select only the high impact and the medium impact. I really don't care on the low impact, neither on no impact. If you guys don't want any of these symbols here, all you got to do is unselect them and move on. Just use the ones that you want. Let me highlight this. And the last thing you need to do is once you have set up your template, you need to save it. If you don't save it, then you're not going to be able to see exactly what I have on my settings. So you save it and bingo. All right, hopefully that makes sense. Any question? Well, if you do, just go ahead and send me a message, okay, and we can wrestle this. But the full analysis is coming tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be February 9, 2020. Usually it's on Sunday, and it's going to be good until the 14th, which is the Friday. So from February 10 to the 14th. All right. So, well, thank you again, guys, for coming. And I don't know if you guys have any question. If you do, make sure you come back on Wednesday. All right. So once again, I want to thank everyone for coming in. See you next time.